This is lesson 46 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2, second edition. And this lesson is going to be about exponents and roots. Alright, so if you have a number and then this other tiny little number up to the right hand side, top corner of it, these are going to be known as, this one is called the base. This one is our exponent, and we refer to that a lot of times as power, the power of. Alright, and when we have roots, we have, this number is called the index, and then this number that's inside or underneath the radical sign is the base. So let's look at what these mean. Alright, let's compare exponents and roots. Alright, this means 3 to the second power, or 3 squared, which is 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, when you see the square root sign, that means what number times itself equals 9? Well, we know that's 3. Alright, here 4 to the third power, we refer to this as 4 cubed. It's 4 times 4 times 4. Now, it's important to know a common mistake here is to say 4 times 3 is 12, and that is very, very wrong. So, 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So, over here, if we want to know what the cubed root of 64 is, we say what number times itself 3 times is equal to 64. And that number is 4, like we just saw here. Alright, and then you've got 5 to the 4th is 625, and then we would say the 4th root of 625 is 5. And so on and so forth. Alright, and like I said, when you have the 3 out here, that means the cubed root. What number times itself 3 times is equal to this. Alright, so we know that 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So the cubed root is 3. Alright, the cubed root of 9 is 3. And here, what number would be the third root of w cubed? Well, it'd just be w. Alright, so let's take that knowledge of exponents and roots and simplify some expressions. Remember, it's very important to follow our order of operations. So we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. And we have 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 8 is 9. 2 squared is 4. The cubed root of 27, we just saw on the last slide, is 9. And then plus, and then we've got some division here, so we have to do that. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Alright, now, here we've got some multiplication, so we'll say 4 times 9 is 36, plus 4 minus 9 plus 6. 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 minus 9 is 31, and 31 plus 6 is 37. Okay, go to the next slide, and we're going to work on our practice problems here. We've just got a few. Alright, A is 2 to the 6. Well, that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Alright, we know that 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 is 64. In B, 1 cubed, or to the third power, is 1 times 1 times 1, which we know is still equal to 1. Alright, in C, what number times itself 4 times is going to be equal to 625? Well, I'm going to guess that that's going to be somewhere around 25. So 25, no, I don't think so. I don't think it's 25. I'm going to try 5. So let's try that again. And see how that works. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125, and 125 times 5 is indeed 625. So 5 would be our answer. What number times itself 3 times is 64? Well, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So that number would be 4. And this is, in E we have, what is the square root of 81? That means what number times itself equals 81. If you know your doubles, multiplication tables, you know that that's going to be 9. Alright, and let's evaluate this expression and simplify it a little bit. Let's do our parentheses first. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And then we just found out that the cubed root of 64 is 4. So let's do our multiplication. 50 plus 25 minus 4 is 75 minus 4 equals 71. Good job. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email, call me. If you see me in class, that would be great. And I'll see you next time for lesson 47.